Hello there, Bingers. Dave here, so welcome back to our channel. So, come on, let's get straight to the point. 800 peso captured card from Lazada. Is it going to work for live streaming? For showing my games with you guys? You know what? I'm excited. I can't wait to open this box and try it myself. So, tara, let's open it and unbox this game. So, as you all know, we're still on lockdown and everybody wanna be a content creator and everybody want to be an influencer, everybody want to join Instagram and everybody want to be a live streamer. And sa live streamer, it's a nakadon. So, on my previous video, I showed you guys my top 5 Nintendo Switch games and now I wanna play it with you guys because it's not fun playing alone. So, I might as well do it with you guys on my page. So tara, let's open this box. So ito na nga yung capture card na dito sa Lazada the other day. And let's see this. Before ko ito binili, natingin ako ng mga capture card. And there's this one I got at 8,000 pesos. And ang mahal na isip ko, parang for 800 siguro ko lang. Parang hindi na siya worth it na necessary that much. So ito, siguro capture card na fraction of a cost. So, wish ko lang gumana siya and tara, let's open it now. This came all the way from China. So, medyo matagal yung shipping niya. Okay, so here it is. Okay naman yung box. Wala siyang brand. It's kind of weird, so wala akong habol for warranty just in case. But then again, it's just 800 pesos. Anong habol ko, right? Instead of 8,000. So inside the box are the following items. You have here this capture card. It says here, video capture with HDMI, and then there are 4 ports to PC, for the USB and for HDMI. So it's a typical outputs and inputs for a capture card. And then we have here a USB port na pinapagkabit yung capture card sa laptop. Kasi you're going to use a laptop para magamit yung OBS, yung streaming platform. And then we have here another pair of USB. Not exactly sure what is this for, so you'll find out. And then kind of wala siyang kasama HDMI, but it's okay kasi parang pair HDMI sa bahay. One for my PS4, Switch, or I don't know, I'm gonna have to find out where HDMIs are. And then another thing inside the box are, well, it's just the back part. It's the user manual. It is written in English and in Chinese, so I think that's really cool. By the way, so there you have it. So it's pretty straightforward. We have this box, and then inside the box are the following capture card, and then the manual, and then 2 USB cables. So stay tuned because we are going to set them up in our laptop and with our Switch, and then we'll see if it will work as it intends to. So tayo ng games, and hopefully mag-work siya because I want to start live streaming games with you guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we now have here my setup. I have here my laptop kung saan naka-install yung OBS. And then we have here the TV, connected yung Switch sa TV via HDMI. And then the capture card. Ito yung medyo tricky part. So, we have 2 HDMI cables, and then yung isa, yung 4 input, yung HDMI ng Switch, and then 4 output, yung HDMI sa TV naman. And then yung USB for laptop.
Para masigurado na gumagana siya, we have to look for two lights, blue and reds. And as you can see, it's okay, it's working. So now let's set up the OBS. So guys, we are now on our laptop for the software which is Streamlabs OBS. And then kailangan mo para ma-install or ma-detect yung capture card. And now let's do it. We have here Streamlabs OBS, and then let's click on sources, and then for video capture device, and then let's click on add source, and then initially welcome and shop, but then you have to add a new source. Let's click on add source, and then look for USB video. How are you doing? Then let's add the USB video. Let's hit down, and as you can see, guys, it's right there. It's working, and that is surprising because for 800 pesos and from an item with no brand from China, I'm pleasantly surprised that this thing works. So it only means one thing: we can go live with our games in the next few days or probably this weekend. So you know what to do, guys. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at BINGE, and go read our blog at littlebinger.com